Hello, good morning, Saturday morning. It's about 7 days since I've sowed some seeds. Now I'm going to show you how to separate your seeds once they've grown. The reason why you need to separate them is they need more space and they need more room to grow. So you need to let the roots develop and the tops to develop as well. So it doesn't get too cramped and so they don't get too leggy. Right, so here we go. What you'll need a pot, you need obviously your plants, you'll need a spoon and or something to poke and dig with, and some compost, and that's it. So here we go. So you grab your pot, you fill your pot up like so, like that. I then pat it down a little bit and make a hole. It looks a bit like that. That's what you should be looking at. And then here comes the fiddly part. It's a little bit fiddly, but once you get a rhythm going, it's all right. So these holes, try not to knacker the bottom. You sort of need to poke the bottom a little bit to loosen it up, and then you need to be quite a little bit gentle and sort of scoop these out here like that. And then if you take hold of the leaf, and then you'll eventually separate the two, and you'll end up with a nice plant like that with a decent bit of root at the bottom. That hole obviously needs to be a bit bigger. You make your hole a bit bigger, you plop it in like that, try and keep it upright, and then you just pass it down as much as you can. This has got a little fork on it, so if you have a fork you can use the fork just to pat it down. Give that a water, and then you have one separated seedling, and that will grow hopefully. And one down, about 23 to go. There we have 23, 24 packed dry. Give them a water and they're in the shelf. That's one shelf taken up.